In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Ibis Paint X app on Android. First, you'll want to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is where you can find a vast array of applications to enhance your device's functionality. Look for the Play Store icon, which typically resembles a colorful triangle. Once you tap on it, the Play Store will load, displaying various categories and featured apps. This is a crucial step because the Play Store is the official source for downloading apps safely and securely. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This bar allows you to quickly find specific apps without scrolling through endless lists. When you tap on it, the keyboard will appear, ready for you to type. You will see a blinking cursor in the search bar, signaling that it is ready for your input. This is simple but essential, as it helps you locate the exact app you want to download. Now, type Ibis Paint X into the search bar. Make sure to spell it correctly to ensure you find the right application. As you type, you may see suggestions appearing below the bar. These suggestions can help you find what you're looking for even faster. After you finish typing, look for the search icon, usually a magnifying glass, and tap it. This step is important because using the correct name ensures you download the intended app, avoiding any confusion with similar applications. From there, select Ibis Paint X by Ibis Inc. from the search results. This selection will take you to the apps page where you can see more details about the app, including its features and user ratings. You will notice an icon and a brief description of the app. It's reassuring to check this page because you can verify you're downloading the official app from the correct developer. Next, tap Install to begin the download process. This button is usually green and located on the apps page. Once you tap it, the download will start, and you will see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This step is crucial because it initiates the installation of the app you intend to use for your artwork. After that, wait for the app to download and install. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few moments. You'll see visual cues like the progress bar filling up, which shows that the app is being installed. This waiting period is important as it ensures that the app is fully downloaded and ready for use, preventing issues later on. Next, tap Open once the installation is complete. This button appears in place of the Install button and will take you directly into the app. When you tap Open, the app will launch and you will see the welcome screen. Opening the app right away is a great way to start exploring its features without delay. Finally, you will have the option to sign in or start creating your artwork. If you choose to sign in, you can save your projects and access them later. However, if you prefer, you can skip this step and dive right into creating. This flexibility is important because it allows you to tailor your experience according to your needs. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded and opened the Ibis Paint X app on your Android device. Enjoy creating your artwork